Hey friends, YouTube has removed the dislike counter for videos, which means that you can notice a dislike button here, but you cannot check the number of users who have disliked it. So, if you wish to check the number of users who disliked a video, go to this link. I'll share it in the description section. This extension link, which is return YouTube dislike. It's all in the description section of the video. Click on add to Chrome, and it can only be used on the Chrome browser. And once it has been added, click on this button here and click on this. Actually, you don't need to do anything. All you need to do is refresh the page or press F5, and boom, you'll see the dislike counter here. So earlier it was 0, now it is 35. Isn't this interesting? If it is, then please subscribe to our channel. And if it did not work for you, then please let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could investigate it further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.